Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the GLACIER FRESH glass water filter jar. So this has a 5-stage filter with activated carbon. Helps reduce large particulates as well as chlorine. We're going to do a little chlorine test here too, just to show how much it diminishes the chlorine in the water. So this is a glass container, so that's pretty sweet. No more, it's BPA free, so there's not a bunch of plastics in here. All right, so this comes out of there. It's a pretty sweet little carafe here. It's all silicone on the bottom here, so it makes it nice. And it's a glass container, nice big handle on there. 114 ounces, I believe. I'll line the spout. Okay, here's our filter here. It does need a little bit of rinsing out, and you got to run like 1 or 2 cups before you drink it. All right, so let's just go. I'll rinse this out real quick, fill it up with water, run a couple stages through there, and try it out. So I'll do the chlorine test there too, so we can see just how much of the chlorine is filtered out. All right, friends, so I got my regular tap water here, and I'm just going to test out if this reagent will change color or not, indicating the presence of chlorine. So this is orthotoluidine reagent, and I'm adding to the tap water. If it turns yellow, it indicates the presence of the chlorine. So the color change occurs because the chlorine in the water, usually present as hypochlorous acid or hypochlorite ions, acts as an oxidizing agent. So we see the color changing there. Apparently I have chlorine in my water, which I did not know. So the intensity of the yellow color correlates with the chlorine concentration. So this kind of allows for a quantitative or semi-quantitative indication of the chlorine in the water. Yeah, so apparently I have chlorine in my tap water. Didn't really know that, but there in fact it is. So just pour it into the filter here, and we'll see if it actually is able to filter that out or not. Well, as we can see, this one, I didn't realize this carafe was so much bigger than the other one, but yeah, it holds quite a bit of fluid in there. So filtered all of that out of there, the chlorine, so that's nice. So if you do have like higher amounts of chlorine in your water, this is going to be a nice way to like filter that out and make sure your water is tasting better. Chlorine has kind of a nasty taste to it, so yeah, seems to work pretty good there for sure. Anyways, my friends, looking for a nice little elegant carafe here that helps like filter out the chlorine stuff in your water. This one's pretty sweet. I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, like this thing's pretty easy to take out, rinse out if you need to. The filter thing just pops off the bottom there. It's pretty easy to work with, and it looks nice as well. So you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. We'll see you next time.